மேலே வருது. Exercise 3.3 is relationship between LCM and GCD. Relationship between LCM and GCD. The definition is the product of two polynomials is the product of two polynomial is the product of their LCM and GCD. The product of two polynomial is the product of their LCM and GCD. That is, the meaning is the product of two polynomials. The product of two polynomials we have to assume f of x and g of x. So the product means we can write f of x into g of x, that is equal to the product of their LCM and GCD. So you have to write LCM of f of x comma g of x into GCD of f of x comma g of x. Okay, once again listen, the product of two polynomial is, that meaning is f of x into g of x equal to the product of their LCM and GCD, that is LCM of f of x into g of x into GCD of f of x comma g of x. Okay, so the formula is what? F of x into g of x equal to LCM into GCD. Okay, that is the meaning. So we are going to apply this formula for in exercise 3.3. Okay, exercise 3.3. Exercise 3.3. The first one, find the LCM and GCD for the following and verify that f of x into g of x equal to LCM into GCD. So in this sum we have to find out two steps. First one we have to find out the LCM and GCD, then we have to verify that f of x into g of x equal to LCM into GCD. Okay. The first one, the first subdivision 21x square comma x squared y comma 35x y square. The first one 21x squared y comma 35x y squared. Find the LCM and GCD, then we have to verify f of x into g of x equal to LCM into GCD. Okay, so first you have to find out the LCM and GCD. Given 21 x squared y comma 35 x y squared. This is the given two expression. The first one we have to assume f of x. So the first one is f of x. Let f of x equal to 21 x squared y. This one we can write like this: 3 into 7 into x squared into y. The second expression we have to keep g of x. G of x is 35 x y squared. 35 x y squared we have to write like this. Into the factors we have to write 5 into 7 into x into y squared. First you have to write into the factors the given terms. First you have to write into the factors. So f of x and g of x. Then we have to find out the GCD. GCD means what? We have to find the common terms. What is the common term here? 3 and 5 is not a common term. 7 is the common term. So you have to take 7. Next, which is the common term? You have to compare the variable x. X squared and x. GCD means we have to select the lowest power. LCM means we have to select the highest power. So x squared x we have to compare means we have to select the lowest degree. So we have to select x. Next you have to compare that y and y square. Y and y square means y is the common term of GCD. So GCD is what here? 7xy. Okay. Next we have to find out LCM. LCM means we have to select the common terms and the non-common terms also. So we have to select LCM is 3. 3 is not common, 5 is not common, 7 is common term. Next we have to compare that x variable means we have to select the highest degree. So x squared into y squared. So that is we have to multiply means 105 x squared y squared. Now we have to got it GCD and LCM. Okay. Next one, they asked to verify that f of x into g of x equal to LCM into GCD. So we have to find out the product of f of x into g of x. F of x into g of x equal to 21 x squared y into 35 x y squared. We have to multiply means 735 x cube y cube. This is you have to keep equation number 1. Next you have to select find the product of LCM and GCD. Therefore LCM into GCD equal to what is our LCM? LCM is 105 x squared y squared into GCD is 7xy. So we can multiply means we get 735 x cube y cube. So that is equation 2. How to see that equation 1 and 2? F of x into g of x equal to LCM into GCD. So from 1 and 2 we get from 1 and 2 we have to compare means we have to get the result f of x into g of x that is equal to LCM into GCD. They asked to verify, we have to verify it also. At last you have to write like this, hence verified. Okay, the first one is over. The second subdivision, the same method. Second one, the question is x cube minus 1 x cube minus 1 next x plus 1 comma x cube plus 1. X cube minus 1 into x plus 1, this is the first term. Second one x cube plus 1. So the same method we have to follow here. First you have to write given. What is given here? X cube minus 1 into x plus 1 comma x cube plus 1. We have to assume the first term is f of x. Let f of x equal to x cube minus 1 into x plus 1. This is the first term f of x. The first one we can write x cube minus 1 cube into x plus 1. This is a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube is a cube minus b cube equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So we can write this one. A minus b means x minus 1. Next a square means x square plus ab means x plus b square means 1 into x plus 1. This is f of x. Next we have to assume the second term is g of x. G of x equal to x cube plus 1. X cube plus 1 also we can write like this, x cube plus 1 cube. This is a cube plus b cube. A cube plus b cube means a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. This is the formula. So we can write this x cube plus 1 cube means x plus 1 into x square minus x plus 1. So this is f of x. So first we have to find out the LCM and GCD, then we have to verify that that is equal or not. First we have to find out GCD. GCD means we have to select the common terms. F of x and g of x, which is the common term, x plus 1 is the common term. So GCD is x plus 1. Next we have to select that LCM. LCM means we have to select the common term and the non-common term. So we have to select x plus 1 is common, then x minus 1 is not common, that is also you have to take. Next the remaining terms x square plus x plus 1 into x square minus x plus 1. Okay. So x plus 1 into x plus 1 into this one equal to what? A cube plus b cube. Like this, x minus 1 into this is what? A cube minus b cube. So we can write like this, x cube plus 1, next one x cube minus 1. Next common term and the non-common term also we have to select. So f of x is what here? F of x is so here x plus 1 also. So the remaining common term x plus 1. Next one, 1 means we have to write 1 cube, here also 1 cube. So again we have to get it x cube plus 1 into x cube minus 1 into x plus 1. So the first two terms you have to see here. How like that it will be x cube plus 1 into x cube minus 1, and we can do the product means we have to get it like this, a plus b into a minus b, that is equal to a square minus b square. A plus b into a minus b, that is equal to a square minus b square. So we can write the first two terms. A square means x cube power 2 means we are getting that x power 6 minus b square means 1 square, that is equal to 1. So x power 6 minus 1 into x plus 1. This is what LCM, x power 6 plus போவே முடியாது. Now we have to find out the product of f of x and g of x. So we have to find out the product of f of x into g of x. F of x into g of x we have to find out. So what is f of x here? Sorry, here x plus 1 will not come. F of x into g of x. So f of x into g of x means what is our f of x is x minus 1 into x square plus x plus 1 into g of x is what? Into x plus 1 into x plus 1 into x square minus x plus 1. F of x is x cube minus 1 into x plus 1. We can apply that formula a cube minus b cube means we are getting that x minus 1 into x square plus x plus 1 into x plus 1 into g of x. Into g of x is x cube plus 1. We can apply the formula a cube plus b cube means x plus 1 into x square minus x plus 1. So we can get means the first two product means we are getting x cube minus 1 into x plus 1. Next another two term x plus 1 into x square minus x plus 1 means x cube plus 1. Again we have to multiply these two means x cube minus 1 x cube plus 1, that is a minus b into a plus b. A is here x cube. So a square means x cube the whole square. So x power 6 minus 1 into x plus 1. This is you have to keep equation number 1. Next you have to find out the product of LCM and GCD. Therefore LCM into GCD you have to find out. What is our LCM? Our LCM is x power 6 minus 1 into x plus 1. LCM into GCD. LCM is x power 6 minus 1 into GCD is x plus 1. So LCM into GCD means x power 6 minus 1 into x power x plus 1. So we can write like this x power 6 minus 1 into x plus 1. This is you have to keep equation number 2 from 1 and 2. We get f of x into g of x, that is equal to LCM into GCD. We get the equal answer of product of f of x into g of x equal to LCM into GCD. Hence verified. Next third one. 3 also same method only. Next third subdivision. The given expression is x squared y plus x y squared. This is the first term, comma x squared plus xy. This is the second term. The same procedure we are going to follow here. First solution, given x squared y plus x y squared, comma x squared plus xy. Okay, this is the given term. Same procedure we have to follow. The first term we have to assume f of x. So let f of x equal to x squared y plus xy squared. See here, x squared y plus xy squared. Here which is common, xy we have to take out, means we are getting that x plus y. Because in the first term also xy will be common, second term also xy will be common. So we take out xy, means we are getting that xy into x plus y. Next we have to assume the second term is g of x. G of x equal to x squared plus xy. In this term x is the common, so we have to take out x, means we are getting x plus y. So f of x is what? Xy into x plus y. G of x is what? X into x plus y. So we have to find out the GCD. GCD means we have to select the common term. Common term is what here? X is common. Next one is x plus y. So x into x plus y is the GCD. Next we have to find out the LCM. LCM means we have to select the common term and the non-common term also. The common term is what? X. Y is not common, that is also how to take. Next the x plus y. So our GCD is x into x plus y. LCM is xy into x plus y. The same we have to find out the product first. F of x into g of x. So f of x into g of x means xy into x plus y, that is f of x into g of x is x into x plus y. So we can do the product, means we get x squared y into, here x plus y, here also x plus y, we can do, means we can get x plus y the whole square. So f of x into g of x is x squared y into x plus y the whole square. This is how to keep equation number 1. Next you have to find out the product of LCM into GCD. Okay, our LCM is xy into x plus y into GCD is what here? GCD is x into x plus y. Our GCD is x into x plus y. So here also we can do the product, means x into x, x squared, y, x plus y we can write x plus y the whole square. Okay, so this is how to keep equation number 2. So from 1 and 2 we get same only. So you have to write at last from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2 we get f of x into g of x equal to LCM into GCD. Hence verified. The first sum, they also find out LCM and GCD. Then they also verify that the product of f of x and g of x equal to LCM into GCD or not. The first one, they given 3 subdivision. 3 subdivision also the product of f of x and g of x equal to LCM into GCD. So the first sum was over. Next one, we are going to see that second one. The second one, they also find out the LCM. See the second sum. Find the LCM of each pair of the following polynomials. find the LCM of each pair of the following polynomials. The second sum, the first subdivision given a squared plus 4a minus 12 comma a squared minus 5a plus 6 whose GCD is a minus 2. This is the given question. A squared plus 4a minus 12 comma a squared minus 5a plus 6 whose GCD is. Whose GCD means a minus 2 is GCD. GCD is given. Next they have to given here two polynomials. These two polynomials we have to assume that f of x and g of x. So here f of x, g of x and GCD given. From the given we have to find out LCM. So the first term I have to assume what f of x. So let f of x equal to a squared plus 4a minus 12. This is the first one. A squared plus 4a minus 12. We have to find the factors. Factors means what here? A square means 1. 1 into 12 equal to what? Minus 12. The product will be minus 12. The sum will be what here? Plus 4. You have to select any two numbers means we have to get it what? Plus 6 minus 2. So 6 2s are minus 12. 6 minus 2 is 4. So we can write like this: a plus 6 a plus 6 into a minus 2. We can write in the factors f of x. Next second term we have to assume that what? G of x. G of x equal to what? A squared minus 5a plus 6. This is also quadratic equation. You have to find the factors. The product will be what here? 1. 1 into 6 equal to what? Plus 6. The sum will be what? Minus 5. So we have to select the factors means minus 3 minus 2, minus 3 minus 2 plus 2. Plus 6 minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5. So this is also we can write like this: a minus 3 into a minus 2. So f of x and g of x we have to get into the factors. Okay. Next they have to given what? They given GCD. GCD equal to a minus 2. So the first two polynomials we have to assume that f of x and g of x. Next they have to given GCD, that is also given. Next one they are asked to find out LCM. Okay. So from the first formula we have to find out the LCM. LCM means you have to write like this: LCM equal to f of x into g of x by GCD. From the first formula we can get the remaining formula also. LCM equal to f of x into g of x by GCD. Here you have to substitute the value. F of x is what? A plus b, a plus 6 a plus 6 into a minus 2 into g of x is what? A minus 3 into a minus 2 by GCD is what? A minus 2. Okay. So a minus 2 will be cancelled. The remaining terms a plus 6 into a minus 2 into a minus 3. This is LCM. Therefore, LCM equal to a plus 6 into a minus 2 into a minus 3. This is our LCM. Okay, that's all. This is very easy. We have to first assume that f of x and g of x. Then we have to use the formula and get the answer of LCM. Next, the second subdivision is x power 4 minus 27 a cube x. This is the first term. Next one, x minus 3a the whole square. Okay. Next, whose GCD is x minus 3a. The same method we have to follow here. The first polynomial we have to assume f of x. The second polynomial we have to assume g of x. Next GCD also given. From the given we get LCM. So first we have to assume f of x. Let f of x equal to x power 4 minus 27 a cube x. X power 4 minus 27 a cube x. Here x will be common, we have to take out x, means we are getting x power 3 minus 27 a cube. Again we can write like this, x cube minus 27 a cube, we can write 3a the whole cube. Is it correct or not? 27 a cube we have to write like this, 3a the whole cube. So x cube minus 3a the whole cube, x into x cube minus 3a the whole cube. Here also we can apply the formula a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube means what is the formula? A minus b. So here a is x, b is what is here 3, a minus b. So x minus 3a. Next a square. A square means x squared plus ab. Plus ab means 3ax plus b square means 3a the whole square. So 9a square. So a cube minus b cube formula we can use, it means we can get x minus 3a into x square plus 3ax plus 9a square. This is f of x. The second term we have to assume that g of x. So g of x equal to x minus 3a the whole square. Okay, x minus 3a the whole square. X minus 3a the whole square means we can write x minus 3a into x minus 3a. Next one in the given GCD. GCD is what? GCD is x minus 3a. From the given we have to find the factors of f of x and g of x, and the GCD also given. From the given only we are going to find out the LCM. Therefore, LCM equal to f of x into g of x by GCD. Here you have to substitute the value. F of x is what? X into x minus 3a into x square plus 3ax plus 9a square. This is f of x. Into g of x is what? G of x is x minus 3a the whole square. We can write x minus 3a into x minus 3a. This is g of x by GCD. What GCD is? GCD also x minus 3a. Okay. So x minus 3a will be cancelled. So the remaining is answer. The remaining is what? X into x square plus 3ax plus 9a square into x minus 3a into x minus 3a will be 2 times. So we can write x minus 3a the whole square. Okay. So therefore LCM equal to x into x square plus 3ax plus 9a square into x minus 3a the whole square. Okay. So the second sum, they have to given here two polynomials. So we can keep first one is f of x, second one is g of x. Then we have to find the LCM of from the given. exercise 3.3, the second Roman, they have given two subdivision. They also find out the LCM. So from the given, we have to select the first one is f of x, second one is g of x. From the given, we have to get that what LCM. So our LCM is x into x squared plus 3ax plus 9a squared into x minus 3a the whole square. So the second subdivision was over. Thank you, students.